Hello, welcome to HelloNet Bootstrap tutorial. In this tutorial, we see what our Bootstrap is all about and how it is used in our project. Bootstrap is the most popular HTML, CSS, and JavaScript framework for developing responsive mobile-first application on the web. And it's very powerful. And let's look at the official website. Let's get it. Okay, here is the official website, and let's take a tour. Here they have tons of tutorials for learning. We can go here and we see a lot of templates. And if we go to components, see some resources that we can use. And in this part, we see, for example, how to create buttons in Bootstrap, vertical variations. See how different types of buttons with different colors are created. We have a lot of classes. For example, this one is btn class and btn default. So this default means that the button will be white. Is this one that will be white? We have a lot of them. Sources, primary, warning, danger. I see this one is for danger, which is the red, and so on. So as we develop our application, we will see how they are being used. Let's see how to use navbar, how to use page nav, progress bar, jumbotron, and so on. So how do we use AngularJS? How do we use Bootstrap in our application? So the first we need to download Bootstrap. So we download Bootstrap from here, and we'll unzip it. To I've already downloaded it. You unzip it. When you're done extracting Bootstrap, when you unzip it, you get this folder. Open it, and you see 3 files. These are the files: font and JS. After extracting the file, you copy it to your folder, the folder where you have your project, for example. I have already created a folder on my desktop named Bootstrap, so I will save this Bootstrap file is there. So this is it. Open it and save your Bootstrap files. So now you can make use of the library. So go to your text editor. I'm using Notepad++. You can use any other text editor of your choice. So create an index.html file. I'll name this file index.html, and I'll save it in the same folder where I have my Bootstrap files, my Bootstrap library. So I look for it. I have, where is my Bootstrap? Okay, I have my Bootstrap folder here where I have these libraries already. So click on save. So now I have saved this index.html file in the same directory. and I'll put some codes here. So in order to use Bootstrap in my project, I have to reference it. So here I've referenced it. You can see I reference it, css/bootstrap.main.css. So this is how you reference it from your folder and make use of it. So let's just build a simple application. So I would say alright, so this is I've typed out some codes here. This is normal HTML code, and this is Bootstrap code. You see, Bootstrap make use of classes. I want to call one of the classes button classes, so I type in btn default. So let's see what color this button will give. So we save it and run it on. I'm using Google Chrome. Yeah, so here we have this button. Let's say I want different color, like maybe this one is default is white. If I say primary, let's save it and see what we have. See, I have blue. This is the power of Bootstrap. So if I say danger, I'll have red. So this is just a simple way of using AngularJS. There are tons of classes that could be used in tons of classes that could be used in Bootstrap, not AngularJS. We can, like from the website, the official website, there are a lot of stuff, a lot of stuff that we have from this component. For example, the navbar, like as I said earlier on, we have so many codes for it. There is one thing I want us to see. I would like us to see the grid system before we finish this tutorial. The grid, okay. Yeah, Bootstrap includes a responsive mobile-first fluid grid system that appropriately scales up to 12 columns as the device or viewport size increases. So let's see this grid system. Yeah, we have in the application, for example, from the beginning to the end is 12, but we can create different stack or grid. For example, if I say call MD8, then I will be left with 4. So 4 plus 8 will be 12. Then if I want, for example, I want 3 columns here, I will say 4, 4, 4 to make it 12. So whatever I give here, I have to make sure that the maximum should be 12. So here, if I want 2 columns, I say 6 and 6 to make it 12. So let's see some. So in this case, for example, 8 plus 4, 4, 4, 4. These are the codes. For example, we have large. If you want, for example, this one is large. So you see, it has 8, and this other side has 4. This is for mobile, but this is for large display. So when the screen shrink, it moves from this to this 8 and 4. We will see how it works in subsequent examples. It's quite a bit difficult to understand it without an example. So in the next tutorial, we will see how the grid works. I'll be making a small project to demonstrate how it works. Thank you for this video. If you find it useful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I release new videos, you can be informed, and also like my page. So See you in the next video. Bye for now.